Hi there, this is myLock, and this is a myLock from Abus. It's a little light-bodied, very light, aluminium bodied, yeah, 40mm padlock, I think. And yeah, it's got a little cartouche on the back so that you can inscribe some details. Yeah, and if I'm honest, I have been struggling with it. I don't know what it is. It's just a little 5 pin lock. I think they're all standard pins. The bitting's quite high, but nothing remarkable. Let's get the key right around. So it works, and yeah, I have been struggling with it. It's I don't know whether it's because of the aluminium body, but yeah, tricky. It's certainly caused me more hassle than it should have. I'm not entirely sure why. So let's try and get this picked so I can put it aside and pretend it never happened. And there we go. So you can tell I went quiet. This thing. Yeah, Abus, myLock. It's got my name on it, so it had to be bloody awkward. Well, if you've stuck with me this far, thanks for watching. Have a good one, everybody. Cheers.